How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So what makes that happen actually, if we open up right here, you will see after you're entering your password, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. That means that you are actually attempting too much to enter to Snapchat without actually getting the correct password. So Snapchat thinks that there is some hacker that trying to access your account and get all the information. So what Snapchat does automatically is to freeze your account, okay? And from here, temporarily, you will get back the access to your account. So how do we fix that? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go back to our screen, right? What we're gonna do, we're gonna just click our settings, right? From here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to general, to all iPhone users, just go ahead to your general right here. And from here, you're gonna just go ahead to iPhone storage, right? And from here, I'm gonna just go ahead into finding Snapchat. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna upload the app and confirm the upload right here. And I'm gonna just upload the app right here. I'm gonna wait out for a couple seconds, and I'm gonna reinstall it once again. All right, and from here we're gonna wait up, and as you can see, we're gonna just wait up until Snapchat is downloaded, right? The second way that I want to tap into is your connection to your Wi-Fi. If there's a place that you are actually using the Wi-Fi, maybe the coffee shop or something like that, try to go to that place, and Snapchat probably will give you the access to your account on these places, right? Maybe coffee shop, maybe restaurant or something like that, right? Because Snapchat will, regularly notice that this is the IP address that you are actually or, usually using. So they will give you the free access to your account if you are using it from that, IP address on your coffee shop. And will solve your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.